Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to host your website on localhost so that you may be able to execute PHP. To start with, you must have a Wamp server installed. So I'm gonna show you where to download Wamp server. It's quite easy. You just Google, use Google Chrome. You just Google Wamp server, and it's gonna. I prefer the one from sourceforge.net, so yeah, click that link on sourceforge.net. It's gonna take me to download page. I click download. It's around 287 MBs and should start shortly. So you see it starts downloading. You see it starts downloading. My speed is quite low, so I'm just gonna be patient, and I'm done downloading. So I'm just gonna open my downloads folder to locate my my setup file. So I normally save my downloads not here, software. So here's my Wamp server. So you just double click to install, just the usual installation process. It's gonna take some time. The installation normally takes around 3 minutes, 4 minutes, depending on the speed of your machine. So it requests for permissions, so I grant the permissions. It start. I'm done installing. I had to skip that bit because it takes quite a long time. So now all you need, I've just my Wamp server is running, so I've got to stop it, so that I can show you a good process on how to start your Wamp server. How you open Wamp server is just the normal process of opening an application. Just double click, you grant the permissions, yes, and you should see a red Wamp icon here. You should wait until the icon turns green, so that you're aware that all services are running good. Now all the services are running. Just click on the icon, your virtual host management. It's gonna open your default browser. So I'm gonna name my website. I'm gonna name it ABC. I already have abc.com, abc.edu, so I'm gonna name it abc.net. Then I'm gonna paste the path to where where you extracted your folder, where you have index.php. Maybe I'll just show you where I got that path. No, it's on the desktop. It's exactly. So you can see my index.php. So I just copy this path, and then I paste it here. Just paste. Then you can access using your server using the IP address, maybe, if you want, but no, let's just use the abc.net. then you start creation of a virtual host, and your virtual host is created. Next, you have to restart. You can either restart all services, or you can restart DNS to be sure. And the virtual, you will see it turn to yellow again. Then after it turns to green, you should have started your DNS. Then you just click and your virtual host, and we just created what did we create? We created abc.net. So you click on abc.net, it's gonna open abc.net, where you now log into your account. It's admin23, and it's administrator. So I log in, takes me to home. Don't save that password. So this is generally the home page. I'm not gonna browse it. I am sure now you can browse it on yourself. These are the courses. No, these are not exactly. You have a register course. You can register your course, and the contact is the contact. You have a form for messaging. Unfortunately, because of the time, the schedule, that time was quite. You can enroll in this course. Because of the time, I didn't manage to add a utility for registering for a course. No, you can register for a course. The utility that I did add was let's see. So the course details. The teacher is Craig Daniel. Yeah, the course is available. So generally, that's all the website is about. If I had more time, I would have created an admin dashboard, but I will be doing it soon. So you now log in, and then just log out. Just follow that simple. One more thing before you go. You were asking about there is no SQL, there is no database file. Yeah, because there shouldn't be any database file. You can see all my SQL is embedded into the code. These are the code for registering a new user. Also registering a new user for logging in. This now the code for logging in. The code for creating the database. I forgot to send it. I'm gonna send it soon. Yeah, and both the comments, you can see my code is well commented. You just follow the comments. For example, you start the session, you connect to the database, you variable declaration, you call the register function. If the register button is clicked, generally you can see the comments. Please follow the comments. Even if you just read these comments to your professor, I'm sure he'll understand. So I think we are good. Please, you can like this video, or subscribe for more. Thank you.